just realized from the video that I took the other day has very little commentary. Now, the idea behind my video was to ride around Hulu Langat and just enjoy the serenity of the area. I know that Genting Peraz is still out of commission, there's still landslides, and we have no idea when they are going to open the roads again. But let's just keep our finger crossed, and hopefully in the next month or so it will be open once again. So I hear you asking, is it worth cycling in Hulu Langat? Well, it definitely is. But you know what? You can ride Hantu multiple times, from the back, from the front. You can go to the dam area, you can go to Tekali, and you can even go to Pangsun, which I don't know why most cyclists don't tend to go to, because it's actually very beautiful and scenic. So head on to Hulu Langat, ride your bike there, and don't forget to stimulate the economy there by spending time at the restaurants, going to the shops. They have been suffering significantly due to the floods. Tourism's dropped because nobody wants to go there. People are afraid of going there, but you know what, it's perfectly safe to go now. So head on to Langat and ride there. So I've just come down from Hantu. Saw one cyclist going up, group of 4 up there, but generally it's just really quiet. I'm very surprised that not more people are coming here to ride. I mean, come on, Temyang's got really nothing on Langat. This place is amazing. Hear the birds, trees, skies are blue, no one else around. I want you to listen to this. Nothing but nature out here. So epic. at Pedestrian Junction. You can see still closed. Can't go up there yet. However, you can do stop here. Get a nice cold drink from the lovely man selling some 100 plus sugarcane, coke, you name it, he has it. Look at that. Yums, yums. I don't normally eat nasi lemak during rides, but I'll make an exception for today. Because it's Bahulu Classic. Really nice to see the crowds back at Bahulu. So if you're in the area, just spread the news. Bahulu and Namwa is open for business. These shops really rely on tourism, and believe it or not, you fellow cyclists, runners, hikers are the tourists that come here, and that contribute to the economy. So spread the word, come over, bring some joy to Langat once again. In case you're wondering, I'm riding the Wilier Triestina Cento 10 Air. It's 2017-2018 model, but it still looks modern to me.